Good morning everyone. Glue gun's on, needles are thread, and I've got some spare gross grain, but I need these all the same. So let me just see. These are just bits that were left at the side. I have them all the time. So I need my ruler, which I'm going to do. Let me just see. I'm going to do these at 4 inches. Now I need to take that. Just going to cut them all at 4 inches. I need 6 for the bottom section. I want them all the same because I want each petal that I'm going to do on this flower to look the same. I mean, they might not when I finish sewing them, but you don't know. I hope everybody's okay, you know, health-wise and whatever. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need another. Right, so we don't need that end. So here we are, we've got them. Now, so they're 4 inches wide. And you take your scissors and you're going to cut at an angle. Like that. So that's the shape you've got. And then we're just going to burnish the ends. And I have to do that with each one. So, now I'm not making mine, as long as the bottom bit's perfect. Right, that's the last one done. Now, we don't need those. So, there we go. We've got all of these. Fold this in half and make a crease. If you, oh sorry, I'm just going to have a drink. If anybody wants to know what I'm drinking, it's not wine. I wish it was. It is limes, lemons, oranges, a little bit of honey, and water, hot water. I make a pot of tea. Oh, and it's a fruit tea bag as well. But I make a pot and then I can just drink it all day long. Warm it up as I need it, that's all. Right. I tell you what it does do. It clears your system. It clears the toxins out of your body. And my stomach, because I suffer with a very iffy stomach. Certain foods can really go funny with me. But I don't do it when, I don't suffer at all when I drink that. Right, so fold it in half, so you've got that, okay? And then what we do is we fold that to the middle. And then you fold that to the middle, like that. We'll just do that first. Fold that to the middle. And we just put a tacking stitch in. And then do that to the centre. And we do the same on this side. So you're making like a little folded but open petal. Okay, so we just do that. That's all you do. And then we continue with the, I want 5 more. Well, we'll do the 5 first. I'll just do that. Last one. Now we could not, you know, we could do it with just outdoing this without taking this section off. But your petal won't look the same. So that's why you have to cut it at an angle. And I have, oh God, I'm doing it again. So you have to do it every time without thinking. Right, so now we've got that. Now take this off. Don't lose your needle. And what we're going to do, if I can do it with this end, I'm hoping... Oh, God, look what I've done. I've forgotten I've done a tacking stitch, didn't I? Did I do it? Yeah, I did a tacking stitch. Now, that's going to be a problem. So don't do silly things like I did. Okay, now we're going to have to sort this out. No problem. See what happens when you make mistakes? They can all be corrected. There's no problem whatsoever. So what I'm going to do, what I was going to do is take both ends, pull it, tie it, and it's done. But instead, I will sew it. It doesn't really matter. You get the same effect. So just make sure that all your petals are the same way, and then just do that. I'm just making sure I get both ends, that's it. See? Not a problem. And then we've got this. So that's like a nice little... Now, do you see what's happened? Because I've not caught that properly. So really, it's a good job that this has happened, because then I can show you. If you don't catch your corners, it doesn't do the job. That is how you want your petal to be. Like that. Not like that. But I can correct that. And I'm going to show you how. Easy. We burnish the ends again. And we take a dab of glue. And then we're going to push that over to where it's supposed to be. And fill it in. And you fix that problem. So that's how you do it. You must catch the corners. Now, I don't want to do a 6. I'm going to do a 3 on top of that one, I think. Let's just take it and see. Like that, and just give it a double knot. Or triple knot, whichever. And then you just do that. Now, if you see anything that you don't like, you round off. If you don't want corners, just round it off with your lighter. That'll do. And then you can just pop that sorry, just get your glue and you can just pop that in there like that, and that makes a really pretty flower. I'll just make sure, and then what I'm going to do is, when I finish getting the glue everywhere, these are great for hair, you know, for hair bobbles. And we can pop that on there, and then in the centre we can add a nice big bead. And if you put enough glue in, and you can get that in there and push it down, just let it dry, push it down and let it dry, that's it. And look at that, what a gorgeous little flower. They're really pretty. I'm not sure if I've got enough to do, maybe. What's the length of that? That's the length of that. Let me just see if I can do another one. I like that. Now, you know that one I made yesterday? Oh, I like that. Now that's pretty. So I'm going to do that. And that means I've used up what I made yesterday, which is good. Yeah, that's really pretty. I'm going to pull that through as best I can. Oh God, that's gorgeous, isn't it? See, you can make these into wedding flowers or anything, you know. Anything you want. There you go. Now that could go straight onto a hair bobble. Yeah, I like them. I like them a lot. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.